You've probably seen people continue to push this narrative that AI side hustles are how you should be spending every second of your time. And the one that piqued my interest as a content creator was the faceless YouTube narrative. So I wanted to figure out if I could create a compelling narrative for faceless YouTube content that could actually generate views. And in this video, we put ourselves up to the test. 1 week, 2 faceless YouTube channels, and 2,500 views. And it got interesting quick. We built an application to source all of it. The goal at hand was to create 100% AI content, from the images, the videos, the text, the script, the editing, the SEO from the title, description, and tags, and automate the entire process. And this is exactly how I did it. I built a web application that allowed me to go in and actually automate that full process using Claude Code and an Anthropic API key to generate short form and long form video content. 2 shorts a day, minimum 1 long form piece of content. I found 2 applications, InVideo.ai and Flicky.ai. InVideo, a little bit more pricey, about $25 a month for 100 credits. Flicky, also $25 a month, but the credit usage on that one was significantly lower, so you got more content out of it. In turn, it really put us to the test. It took 1 full day, 10+ hours of generating content that fit our 2 channels. We made 1 business story channel and 1 dark psychology channel, and all of that automated. It was the most interesting experiment I've ever done. I had no idea if we were gonna get any views at all. We were off to a red hot start. We had 49 views on the very first video we uploaded on the Faceless YouTube channel. But then we faced a serious dilemma. YouTube required me to verify the account. It said that we were spam uploading content. I'm terrified of what this means for the rest of the experiment, simply because it essentially flagged the account and this IP as spam now. And the long form video goes live at 6 p.m. today. I did not even know that YouTube stops you from uploading too much content, but 20 shorts and 1 long form video, and YouTube was like, we gotta verify it. You gotta upload a selfie. It's gonna take at least 24 hours. And I thought the experiment was doomed. And then the craziest thing happened. It is day 3 of running these faceless AI YouTube channels, and we've started to actually get some traction. We have 331 views on this channel, The Deal Diaries. We uploaded 10 short form videos. So far, out of those, 5 have been posted. The 2 from yesterday did 27 views and 9 views. 249 views on the worst business that made 500 million. 3 videos on the 3rd, 2 on the 2nd. So right now we have 6 total views, videos uploaded. The first video we uploaded, not a single view. The 6th video that we uploaded, 249 with an average view duration of 44 seconds. What's crazy is this video was uploaded with the worst model that we used, Flicky. I liked InVideo significantly more. The reason being, InVideo gives you a little bit more of like a polished touch to it. These Flicky ones though are seemingly doing decent. And now I'm really thinking, is there something more to this faceless YouTube content? Is this an actual viable side hustle? Day 4's been the breakthrough, the absolute breakthrough. We had a goal of 2,500 views across both channels combined. And today we hit an absolute banger. I don't know how it happened. 4 subscribers, 1,674 views. We cooked. Jeff Bezos' video, 1,000 views. The worst business idea, that pet rock story from yesterday, ended up running 870 views. These 2 were the big videos. This is still the Flicky one. It's not in video. I don't know how or why, because I wouldn't watch this. Who watches this? I'm not mad about it though, but it got us 2 subscribers. And when we look at the reach and the engagement on this, 45% stayed, 2.5 hours of watch time in 19 seconds. So they stayed for like 50% of this video about Jeff Bezos. That makes no sense to me. 1 video, 1,000+ views. I never in a million years thought that we would have had a 1,000+ view video on a channel with 0 subscribers on content that was 100% AI generated. And just like that, 48 hours left, we're 50% of the way there, ahead of schedule. There's something here, and there's a reason people consume this content. Even if it's not meant for me, there is an audience for it. And who that audience is, that's up for interpretation, but we still had 48 hours to get through the rest of this experiment, and we needed 1,200 more views. It's day 5. We've been running this experiment for 5 whole days. The results are fascinating. So far on our Deal Diaries page, we have 2,249 views across everything. The long form videos, nobody cares about them. It might be because the thumbnails are not optimized and needed me to verify a phone number. It's fascinating to see that Jeff Bezos' video topped out yesterday. 1,074 views. We had Everyone Laughed at the Rock business video. The other Rock video, 1,100 views across the Rock video. We had the extra 7, another 100. We're at like 2,300 views on our Deal Diaries channel. I believe we did it. We just barely squeaked by. We broke 2,000 views with 1 day left, and I'm shocked. Still 5 subscribers, both channels getting a couple hundred more views, and it seems like this system works. Now granted, it cost us $75 to generate all of this content. So our CPM's not great. We're looking at $75 for 2,200 views and 5 subscribers. And if we continue to run this experiment past just this week, I am curious about the higher tiers, spending some more money and seeing if we can even yield higher results. Now, I go into these experiments with really low expectations. Using AI still requires some level of skill and understanding, but it does seem like there's something here. Good content gets pushed, and I don't even think it's good content. And that's where we ended this. Day 5 behind us, 2,500 plus views. I'm still not sure if faceless YouTube is a viable niche. It cost us $75 to get 2,500 views and 5 subscribers. So there's an inherent initial cost to the entire process. You have to pay for the AI credits. The application I built was free, but it was a $200 Claude Code subscription. To generate more content, it's gonna cost me more money. Flicky, we could have probably gotten another 10 shorts out of, but until you have a solid user base, the long form videos generated a total of 1 view. These short form videos generated all of our views, 2,500 plus. Now, the app gives us a bunch of other workflows. You can probably save money doing more manual edits. It has full editing guides on it, ways to do the B-roll, where to get stuff from, all of this other stuff. I'm tempted to let this experiment run for 30 more days and just figure out where the views could be. Can we break 10,000? Can we break 100,000? Can we get over 1,000 subscribers on a faceless 100% AI automated YouTube? And there's a good chance we circle back in 30 days to see exactly where this goes. But there's a lot more experiments to do and a lot more AI challenges to get after. If you haven't seen my trading video, I'm gonna link that as well. I've also linked the Not So Easy Money Studios app in the description below. So if you wanna get into faceless YouTube, you can use the app. It's totally free. We're gonna keep building apps. We're gonna keep trying stuff and just see where we can take this channel. And as always, keep it easy, and I'll catch you next time.